Transferring money from Afterpay to CIBC Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's a step-by-step guide to transferring money from Afterpay to your CIBC Bank. Transferring money from Afterpay to your CIBC Bank account is a breeze. First, link your CIBC Bank account, then transfer money. Before linking a CIBC account, ensure it's a checking account with a debit card that won't expire for at least 2 months. With that out of the way, follow these steps to link your account. Log in to Afterpay and select Payment Methods. First, click Add Payment Method. Then choose CIBC Bank Account. After that, enter the requested details to link your CIBC Bank account to Afterpay. This process may take 2 to 5 business days, so be patient. During the waiting period, your request will appear.